Hey guys, say that I found the ultimate secret on how to be snatched for the summertime. I found shape sculpting bikinis and just shapewear at that. I discovered this cute little brand called Shapellx. I'm gonna do a little try on haul for you guys today, and I'm gonna show you exactly how teeny tiny snatched and sculpted we get in literally just seconds by putting these on. A little extra confidence never hurts. So let's do a little try on haul. I'm going to show you guys each piece individually. You guys are going to literally scream when you see these beautiful designs. This is the Shapellx Smart Sculpt Rouched V-neck shaping swimsuit. As you can see, it's this very beautiful color and it has a ruching on it, and this is the back. Yeah, she's stunning. Also, the straps come off, so you're able to crisscross them for extra support. Do you guys see how it's slimming the waist? So first of all, she's not see-through because we have the double layered design. 2 whole entire layers, which we need. Also, with the 3D ruching, you get that naturally slimming effect. And there's also padding in here, but you can remove it, which is amazing because sometimes I just don't want any padding. And I'm really liking this bust support. As you can see, it kind of like slims the edges. Now, this part is probably my favorite part of the bikini. First of all, we have this gorgeous back, right? But you take these two, instant freaking snatch. Now let's view it from the front. How pretty is this, you guys? Another thing that I really like about these straps right here is that you can either have them straight back like this, or you can crisscross them. Crisscross. I think the crisscross is super cute. I think it's my favorite. I'm huge on styling pieces, so I'm going to be taking this mesh wrap. Oh my goodness, guys, this is so cute. Like, imagine this, but add on like a cute little heel. Now look at this beauty here. This one is the Shapellx Smart Sculpt Rouched U-wire cutout shaping swimsuit. I mean, just look at the beautiful detailing. We love this ruching here. Full coverage, but it's still flattering. I also love that it has padding, so we're gonna try it on, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how gorgeous this one is. Now, a moment for my favorite one so far. This is what she looks like on. This instantly gave me such a huge confidence boost. Also, this V-line here gives like an elegant but sexy look. Are you guys catching on here that Shapellx also likes to give you versatility with everything that they have? So these straps can go straight up like this, but you can also crisscross them. It's going to give you like almost an extra lift on the girlies. And also, this U-shaped metal ring is everything. Also, it does have the removable padding, and look at how well it lifts the girls. And of course, we have the side wall supports. This here is where it has the side support structure. Of course, we have the double layer fabric, so there's no see-through going on. As usual, the triangle cut bottoms is just very flattering. It makes you look like a cute little pair. Of course, the side along with the back. Let's change up the straps and let's make it go crisscross. Grab the strap and put it over your head. Look at how flattering it is on the chest area too, and on the shoulders. Okay, now let's finish it off and bring this one over. Now this is the crisscross, and I think that this actually might be my favorite. Now, if you really want to amp this up, you can style it with, again, a little midi skirt. Cute little simple look. And then if you really want to get spicy, a little black satin top. We made it elegant real quick, didn't we? Or even some cute little capris. I think this look is probably my favorite one. It just feels like a bodysuit. I don't know, guys, this one has to probably be my favorite. I'm not too sure because they're all so cute, but this one, the color, I mean, I love pink, we all know this. This here is the Shapellx Smart Sculpt all-in-one mesh wrap shaping swimsuit. We have a whole swimsuit with mesh attached to it. I adore that it has the thick straps because us girls with a larger bust, we love a good little push-up. And this is amazing for when you're with family and you want to be a little bit more conservative. Oh my gosh, no, guys. This one is my favorite. It's like a little mini dress. There's so many options. I'm going to show you guys right now. I think this one's by far the most flattering one in my opinion. This is what she looks like from the front. So cute. And the back has all of the support, of course, with the thick straps. Let's take a look at the detailing. I love how it has the padding that's removable as well. We have the thick straps for the support to the girls. And the fact that it's one swimsuit with 2 styles. And it's overall just so sleek. Like, it's so smooth. The smoothness, the sleekness is just... We can either style it just straight like this, and also this here allows you to make it tighter, or you can have it sitting right here above the bikini line. You can really play around with it and make it to like literally whatever you want, or you can even make it really long. This is about the longest that it goes, so it looks like an actual regular dress. So for the styling for this one, I feel like you don't really have to do much with this one, and then you can still add on your favorite shorts. Like, look just how 2000s this looks. Isn't this like the cutest little thing ever? And would it be a proper haul without showing you guys? Super cute bra. This is of course the Shapellx Bare Essentials AirSlim Back Smoothing Lace Underwire Bra. I'm absolutely in love with how feminine and pretty that this still looks, because a lot of the times for us girls with bigger breasts, I feel like they kind of like to not make the prettiest of bras. Now a moment for this stunning and elegant, lacy, beautiful slimming bra, just alone with like a little pair of shorts. But let me just actually quickly show you how beautiful that this bra could be pulled off as a top as well. So with this black top and maybe with some boots, a quick little tie off, you can't tell me that that's not perfect. This is the gorgeous bra from the front. As you can see, there's literally no spilling on the side, and the back just fits beautifully. There's nothing here on the side that's folding over, there's nothing here that's spilling over. Now here's a close-up of the elegant lace and with the molded cup structure. The fit also feels so secure, you guys, and it also has this sidewall boning. I really like how it has that extra wide side wings and the strong side support. And also inside the cups there's like this plastic mesh lining. It just gives it like a stronger shape and support. But as you can see, it makes the girls sit so nice. But this lace detailing has really got me. But on top of that, like all of this structure here and no spillage, that's the most important part for me. The wide supportive back panel with adjustable fit here. It has a breathable mesh lining. It's super comfortable, very soft, and it just like wraps so gently around me. Let's do a little before and after, shall we? With a tight shirt, and then afterwards I'm going to show you guys how it looks with it on and the same tight shirt. Here's the before. Cute, but let's see how it looks with the bra on. Now this is the after with the bra, and it makes everything look so smooth. You see this right here? It's suction cupped in. Also can't have a Shapellx haul without the curve code Airy Comfy Smoothing Short. I'm just gonna have to show you guys exactly how this looks tried on. This smooths you out so good. It snatches you up and it lifts the booty. Guys, I'm just going to let the shape speak for itself. The waist is super snatched. The hips are enhanced, and from the side, this is crazy. Flat tummy and lifted butt. I'm just gonna do a little close up so you guys can kind of see that there's open netting like mesh. I'm wearing like a little black bandeau with this, but we have the thick straps. All this up here is topless. From these straps all the way down is the faja situation. Fully covers the abs, and along with the waist here, look at this shape. It just hugs the curves all in the right places and really just makes you super tucked in. Also, these shoulder straps are removable, so it can just be from the abs down. And as for the butt that you guys could see earlier, it has a T design, and that's what effectively enhances the hip line. And then there's a zipper on the crotch area that goes all the way up to the back, and this part I love. It's very sanitary. It has the antibacterial cotton for underwear free wear if you want to. This material here is also very skin friendly. I have very sensitive skin and this feels amazing. It's comfortable, it's breathable. I don't feel like constricted at all, but I still feel snatched. I'm going to show you guys what this looks like here. Hooks here, it just gives that extra security. Also here, if you guys can see, it has this S curve design. Everything is completely snatched in. And of course, we gotta try on some pants with it. Do you guys love it, or do you guys love it? Look at that curve. Too good. And lastly, the Shapellx Smart Sculpt Rouched V-neck bikini top and high-waisted bottom set. Of course, it has the thick straps for that extra little boost, the padding, and the beautiful ruched design. And of course, the high-waisted bottoms. Not only is it super comfortable, but it's so pretty and it is so feminine, guys. I feel like that's very important when it comes to shaping pieces, because a lot of the times companies do not like to really cater to both beauty and shaping. And no matter how I move, no tummy spills out. It hugs me in all the right places, and this V shape right here is just so flattering. Also, look at this ruching design, and the color alone is just so stunning. Also, no spillage from the side either. So pretty. I really appreciate how there's a wide band. It helps with support and also tucking you in. And there's also a built-in side steel boning. Also here we have the thick straps, and of course it's adjustable. Since the back has these removable straps, you can also make them crisscross. And of course we need to see how this would look with a cute little sarong. Even if you have like a lacy little skirt, you can also throw that on. And you can even tuck your high-waisted bottoms to be low. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed this try on haul. I haven't done a try on haul in so long. If you guys want to save some money, which who wouldn't, I'm gonna have my discount code right here, and you guys can shop Shapellx with a discount code, and I'll put it also in the link down below. I've always seen the most amazing reviews about Shapellx, and I was like, you know what, I think I should try it for myself. I really do like finding out if something is just for show or if it's actually really good. Let me tell you guys, this was actually really good, and you guys saw all the results for yourself. Everything actually exceeded my expectations. Everything snatched me in a lot more than I actually thought it was going to. Shapellx did exactly what they needed to do. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.